Short on time but ready for a long drive? Let's get your Vitara fast charged and back on the road. Welcome to Factful Fridays. Today we'll walk you through how to easily fast charge your Vitara through DC charger. First, to find the DC charging station and charging slot availability, open the E4Me mobile application. Once you locate a DC charging station, you can easily pre-book fast charging slot right through the app for hassle-free charging experience. After locating your booked DC charger, it will be ready for your Vitara to plug in. Step 1. Park your vehicle safely and shift to P mode. Step 2. Engage the parking brake. Once engaged, parking brake switch light turns red and P symbol glows over information cluster. Step 3. Ensure all lights, accessories and the ignition are completely turned off. Step 4. Open the charging cover slowly by pressing its rear edge, then slightly pull it out to completely open and then open the DC charging inlet cap. Step 5. Check for and remove any dust or moisture around the charging inlet and gun. Step 6. Insert the DC charging connector firmly into the charging inlet. Step 7. Once the gun is correctly inserted, the connector will automatically lock. After that, initiate the charging with your E4Me app by following the steps shown on the screen. The E4Me app lets you choose how you want to charge, by the amount you wish to spend, by the duration you prefer, or by the exact percentage of charge you need. Once authenticated, the charging light glows green, indicating charging has started. Step 8. After successfully charging initiation, you can monitor the charging status on the multi-information display screen or through the E4Me app. Charging is designed in a way to stop automatically after reaching 100%, or you can manually operate the DC charger to stop the charging as per your charging requirement. Step 9. Disengage and return the DC charging connector to its original position. Step 10. Close the DC charging inlet cap and close the charging cover slowly. And just like that, your Vitara is ready for the road ahead. In case of emergency charging support, our EV Ready workshops have AC charging facilities available, which can also be pre-booked through the E4Me app. Want us to cover a specific topic? Drop your suggestions in the comments and you might see it in the next episode of Factful Fridays. Stay tuned, stay informed, see you next Friday.